Chapter 2 Polynomial. Factorize the given polynomial and find the zeros. Also verify the relationship between zeros and its coefficients. So the standard form of the polynomial is ax square bx plus c. It is a quadratic polynomial. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. It is a quadratic polynomial. So we have three types of the quadratic polynomial where a, b and c all three are not equal to 0. And question number second, we have ax square plus bx. Here c is 0. And the third question, ax square plus bx plus c, where b is 0. So we have the three type of the polynomial. So we are going to factorize all these three polynomials and verify their relationship between zeros and its coefficient. First, where a, b and c all three are not equal to 0, we will factorize it with the help of middle term splitting. What I need? I need sum as a coefficient of x minus 5x, product as a minus 6 into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 6x square. So product is minus 6, sum is minus 5. So that's why numbers are 3 to the 6. So minus 3x minus 6x and plus 1x. Multiply all these two terms, we will get minus 6 as a product, and add them we will get minus 5 as a sum. Now split the middle term. 3x square 5x की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे minus 6x plus 1x. So I splitted the middle term. Now first two pair 3x is common, x minus 2. In last two pair 1 is common, x minus 2. जब भी हम मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग करेंगे तो ये ब्रैकेट में जो टर्म्स हैं these terms will be same. If these terms are not equal, check your calculation once again because these two values should be same. Next step, we will take it common as a x minus 2. What I left? 3x in the first bracket and plus 1 in the second bracket. 3x minus plus 1. Now we have to find, these are the factorization of 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Next we have to find the zeros. For zeros, for zeros, 1 time x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2, and other 3x plus 1 equals to 0, and 3x equals to minus 1, and x is equals to minus 1 by 3. Now for verification. For the verification, zeros are, one of the 0 is 2, let us assume that it is alpha, and this is the beta. X square 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value of a? A is 3, b is minus 5, and c is minus 2. Now add the zeros. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta. So 2 plus minus 1 by 3. By taking the LCM, 3, 6 plus minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5 by 3. Now we know that sum of 0, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a also. So what is minus b? Minus 5 by 3. So it is 5 by 3. Sum of 0 is verified. Again, now the product of zeros. Alpha into beta. Product of 0 is alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 3. So minus 2 by 3. And alpha into beta in the form of coefficients, that is C upon A. What is the value of C? C is minus 2 by 3. So again, product of 0 is also same. So in this way, first we factorize the polynomial, find the zeros, which is one of them is alpha and other one is beta. Verify, for the verify we have to find the A, B and C first. Then we will add these zeros, alpha plus beta. By adding, we will get 5 by 3, but directly with the coefficients, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon A. So the substitute the values of minus b and A. We will get same value whatever we got by adding these alpha and beta. In the second part, alpha into beta, product of zeros, is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. Then alpha into beta is C upon A minus 2 by 3. So in both the cases we will get the same answers. Now the second type. For the second type, when we have to make it factorize, here C is 0. We will factorize it by taking common. By taking common only. So what is common in both? 5x is common. X minus 2. So factors are 5x and x minus 2. For zeros, one time 5x equals to 0, x equals to 0 by 5, that is 0. On the other side, x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. So alpha is 0 and beta is 2. Now for verify, for the verification, compare the equation 5x square minus 10x with ax square plus bx plus c. What is the value of a now? A is 5 and b is minus 10 and here c is equal to 0. So first sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. So we will add them 0 plus 2, that is 0, 2. On the other side, alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. What is minus b? Minus b means minus 10 by 5. So 10 by 5, 2. So alpha plus beta is 2. By adding the zeros and directly from the coefficients, these are same. And the second part is product of zeros, alpha into beta. Multiply them, 0 into 2, that is equals to 0. On the other hand, alpha into beta is C upon A. What is the value of C? C is 0 by 5, that is equals to 0. Again we will get the same result. Sum of zeros and product of zeros are same by adding the zeros. Now the third part. In third part we have the middle term is missing. So for when the middle term is missing, जब भी मिडल वाली टर्म मिसिंग होगी या b 0 होगा, उस केस में आपकी हमेशा आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई होगी, which is a square minus b square. So factorize it, x का square minus root 15 square. Since 15 has no square root, so we will write it as, apply the identity for the factorization, a square minus b square. That is a plus b and a minus b. So x plus root 15, x minus root 15 are the factors. For zeros, x plus root 15 equals to 0. So x equals to minus root 15. X minus root 15 is equals to 0. X equals to root 15. So alpha is minus root 15 and beta is positive root 15. Now for sum of zeros, verify. Alpha plus beta is minus root 15 plus root 15, that is equals to 0. Comparison is missing. So first we will compare and find the value of a, b and c. So x square minus 15 को हम कंपेयर करेंगे ax square plus bx plus c के साथ, where the value of a is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 15. Now we are going to add them alpha plus beta. Minus root 15 plus root 15. What it will be then? It is 0. Otherwise, alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. What is minus b? Minus b is 0 upon 1 is equals to 0. We will get the same answer. Now for product, alpha into beta, multiply them. Minus root 15 into root 15. So it will become minus 15. On the other hand, alpha into beta is c upon a. Then what is c? C is minus 15 upon a is 1. Again we will get the same value. So we have the three type of the polynomial. One where a, b and c are, all the three coefficients are not equal to 0. Then we will take the middle term splitting. In the second case, constant is 0. Where constant is 0, you have to always factorize by taking the common. Then the third is a, where b is missing or middle term is missing. Then factorize with the help of using this identity a square minus b square, which is a plus b and a minus b. So after factorizing, find the zeros. One of them is alpha, second one is beta. Then add them, multiply them. After that, compare with the coefficients minus b upon a and c upon a.